Lightbar. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who back, baby, with another video. I think I'm from Kicking It With Me today, man. Yeah, I'm probably wearing the same outfit in like my last 2 or 3 videos. That's because I shot multiple in a day, guys. I'm doing YouTube, best way to do it. Anyway, man, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. I'll put that right there, and go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button while you're watching this video. So I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot. And it's interesting because I had this product on my truck now for about, a long time. But lately I've been getting a lot of questions, and that's about the light bar. What kind of light bar is it? How did you mount it? And unfortunately, the second part of that question, I cannot answer, guys, because I did take it to a shot, but I can just kind of show y'all if I can. But yeah, here we go. So it is a Auxbeam 22-inch LED light bar, guys. Auxbeam is one of the sponsors of the channel, so Auxbeam, thank you if you're watching this video. I was torn between the 20 and the 22-inch because most people said that 22 wouldn't fit. So I found this Car Toys, this is a shop I went to, and they actually said, yeah, if you bring the 22 in, you know, we'll see if we can fit. If not, we'll just put the 20. I had both of them at that time, and they actually gave the 20-inch away. I forgot about that. So how did they mount it? You can see they got it mounted in there pretty good. Guys, behind here, surprisingly, I did not know this, there's open space back here, guys. Like, this is just like foam and plastic, so you can actually cut that out. So how they mounted it, I wish I could tell y'all and show y'all, but I really can't. So, but it is room behind here to cut. So they did have to cut right here, as y'all can see. They cut that out, and they cut out this square as well to get it to fit. If you go a 20-inch, I don't think you have to do any cutting because it's going to be 2 inches shorter, but that is a 22-inch, so they had to cut. As far as brightness, it's pretty bright. I'll show y'all what it looks like in the daytime, just face value, what it looks like. And then I'm going to show y'all a nighttime clip, how it looks as well. So it looks like this. So I got it on now, you can see. And, sorry, it's pretty bright. Super freaking bright. Don't worry about the headlight, I gotta replace it. But yeah, you see there, it looks pretty dang good. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna catch it. And my fan will kick on, so I gotta talk extra loud. But yeah, it's LED. I'm not sure how many lumens or anything. I'll drop the link in the bio where I got it from down there in the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty bright. You can see, some of y'all guys know the beam pattern, the light pattern. Look like it's hidden right there, pretty good, you know. Yeah, so everybody keep asking me how I did it, and like I said, unfortunately I can't show y'all but it is doable. You can do it. Sorry, I can't really provide too much feedback on the install and how they mounted it. It did come with the brackets to mount it. I'm not sure if they had to fabricate anything. I don't think they did. It came with the brackets, so a lot of people have been asking. Hopefully they'll provide y'all some feedback. You know, I think now a lot of people are putting them behind the grill. You know, thinner ones is kind of the thing now, but yeah, I think it looks good on the truck, you know. There you can see it. But next, I think the most important thing, y'all probably want to see some nighttime footage, like how it really looks, you know, like how does it look in the nighttime. So I'm gonna show y'all that here next, so here we go. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick what the light bar looks like at nighttime. So I'm gonna cut all the lights off. There we go, y'all see, so this is just light bar. Lights are pretty good area. No light bar. So I can light up that car up there. You think it lighting up the car? Mm-hmm. Yeah, lights up the car right there, just so y'all can see. And of course, when I add all the lights, there you go. One more time for y'all. Light bar, boom. Just the light bar. It's a pretty good beam, in my opinion. So there you go. Here we go. Here's another shot of it. There go, light bar on, light bar off, light bar on. So lights up pretty good. Like, yeah. There you go. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got. Thank you for watching this. Keep catch you on the next one. Peace.